show that among the rectangle of a given area, the square has a least perimeter. Here let it is x and y are sides of rectangle, and A is area. A is area of rectangle. Where A is greater than 0, it is the area of the rectangle. Therefore, the area of rectangle A is equal to x into y. Therefore, we can write y is equal to, it is A upon x. Okay. Now, the perimeter, let perimeter of rectangle is, it is P. 2x plus 2y. Therefore, it is a function least perimeter दाखवायचे. The P in terms of x, therefore y is equal to A by x. Now P can be written as, it is P is equal to f of x, therefore it is 2x plus 2 into A by x. Okay, here P, now it is a f of x. F of x is a perimeter function, it is a perimeter, therefore differentiate with respect to x. F dash of x is equal to 2, here 2a upon x, 2a is a constant and 1 by x, derivative of 1 by x, it is minus 1 by x square, therefore minus 2a upon x square, it is the derivative. To find the stationary point, take f dash of x is equal to 0, therefore take f dash of x is equal to 0, therefore we can write 2 minus 2a upon x square is equal to 0. Okay, therefore it is 2 is equal to 2a upon x square. Okay. Therefore x square is equal to a. 2 to get cancelled, x square is equal to a, and then x is equal to plus or minus under root a, but a is greater than 0, therefore it is, but it is x is not equal to minus under root a, therefore x is equal to under root a. Here x is a dimension, therefore it is not equal to minus a. X is equal to under root a. Now f double dash of x, it is f dash of x, therefore f double dash 2's are derivative 0 minus, it is 2a constant, 2a constant, and it is 2a, and it is x to the power minus 2, and x to the power minus 2's are derivative है minus 2 into x to the power minus 3. Therefore f double dash of x is equal to, it is minus minus plus 4a upon x cube, it is double derivative. Now put the stationary point in f double dash, therefore f double dash of under root a is equal to, it is 4a upon under root a cube, which is greater than 0. Therefore f of x means perimeter, is minimum at x is equal to under root a. F of x is a perimeter, therefore y is equal to a upon x, that is a upon under root a, and it is under root a. Okay, here a is equal to under root a, y is equal to under root a, therefore we can write x is equal to y, that is perimeter is a square, two sides are equal in a rectangle, therefore it is rectangle is a square. Then when perimeter is minimum, when perimeter is minimum, then rectangle becomes a square. Here therefore perimeter is minimum when rectangle is a square. Okay, here see careful. When perimeter is minimum, then rectangle become a square. It is x is equal to y are the sides of rectangle, and when two sides are rectangle are equal, then it is a square. Okay. Now next example. Here next example, show that the height of a cone of closed right circular cylinder of given volume and least surface area is equal to its diameter. Okay, the last example and here example same. Last example मध्ये काय होतं, given area and least perimeter दिलं होतं, म्हणजे area is a constant, area is given of area of rectangle दिलं होतं, x into y is equal to a घेतलं होतं आपण. Here given volume of a right circular cone, it is cylinder. Okay, therefore volume of cylinder is pi r square h and v is a constant. Now we find the minimum surface area, and when surface area is minimum, height of a cylinder is equal to the diameter of the base circle. Okay, here base circle or circle, it is two circles, diameter of a cylinder. Okay, then here let r be radius and h is height of cylinder. Let phi be the volume of cylinder. Therefore we can write phi is equal to pi r square h. Therefore we can write it is pi r square h. Then it is h is equal to, here h is equal to phi upon pi r square. H is equal to phi upon pi r square. Now let S be the surface area of cylinder. Therefore we can write S is equal to, it is a surface area 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square. It is a curved surface area and it is the area of the circle. Okay, base circle and top circle, it is 2 pi r square. Now S is a function, this can be written as in terms of, here variables are h and r, and the h is equal to phi upon, phi is a constant, volume phi upon pi r square. Then h in terms of r, therefore it is function in terms of r. Therefore S is equal to f of r, and f of r is a surface area. Okay, function f of r, it is a surface area, is equal to 2 pi r and it is h phi upon pi r square plus 2 pi r square. Therefore we can write f of r is equal to r cancel, pi cancel, that is 2 phi upon r, 2 phi upon r plus 2 pi r square. Then differentiate with respect to r, differentiate with respect to r, f dash of r is equal to, it is 2 phi constant and it is 1 by r, derivative of 1 by r, it is minus 1 by r square. Therefore minus 2 phi upon r square plus 2 pi into, it is 2r. It is a f dash of r. Then to find the stationary point, take f dash of r equal to 0. Take f dash of r is equal to 0. Therefore we can write minus 2v upon r square plus 4 pi r is equal to 0. It is 4 pi r. Therefore, we can write 4 pi r, it is 4 pi r, is equal to 2v upon r square. Okay, and phi is equal to 4 pi r is equal to 2v, phi, it is pi r square h, pi r square h upon, it is r square, 2v, 2 and it is v, okay, upon r square, it is therefore. And then we can write r square get cancelled, pi get cancelled, 4r is equal to 2h, and therefore r is equal to h by 2. It is the value of r. Now we find the double derivative, f double dash of r. It is f dash of r, it is f dash of r, minus 2v upon v square, minus 2v, it is a constant, and 1 upon r square, it is r to the power minus 1, and r to the power minus 1 derivative is minus 2 into r to the power minus 3, and plus 4 pi, it is 4 pi, and r derivative 1. Therefore f double dash of r is equal to, it is plus 4 phi upon r cube plus 4 pi, it is a double derivative. Then put the value of r. Therefore f double dash of h by 2 is equal to 4 phi upon h cube by 8 plus 4 pi. Okay, calculation नाही केलं तरी चालते, डायरेक्ट इट इज ग्रेटर दॅन 0. ओके, विच इज ग्रेटर दॅन 0. ओके, 8 वर जाईल, इट इज 32 व्ही अपॉन, लिहू एक स्टेप, नाही लिहिलं तरी चालते, काही फरक पडत नाही, कारण आपल्याला फक्त ग्रेटर दॅन 0 दाखवायचे. इट इज 32 व्ही अपॉन एच क्यूब प्लस 4 पाय विच इज ग्रेटर दॅन 0. Therefore f of x, sorry, it is f of r is, it is greater than 0, is minimum at r is equal to h by 2. Therefore the surface area, f of r means surface area, is minimum when it is 2r is equal to h. Surface area is minimum when 2r is equal to h, that is diameter is equal to height. R is a radius, therefore 2r is a diameter, and diameter is equal to height when the surface area of cylinder is minimum. Okay, here surface area is minimum, then diameter is equal to height. Here it is constant when volume is given and surface area is minimum, then height is equal to diameter. Okay. Now next example, find the volume of largest cylinder that can be inscribed in the sphere of radius r centimeter. It is a r is a radius of the sphere, and we want to find the maximum volume of a cylinder inscribed in the sphere. Okay, now here it is given radius of sphere is r centimeter, given that radius of sphere is r centimeter. Now let it is capital R be radius and it is h be height of cylinder inscribed in sphere. Okay, now here it is a sphere. Okay. A sphere and a cylinder inscribed in a sphere. Now we draw cylinder inscribed in a sphere here. Sphere inscribed in a sphere. It is a O is a center of the sphere. And it is capital R is a radius of cylinder, and it is R is a radius of sphere. It is given, and capital R is a radius of a cylinder. Now here it is the height of a cylinder, therefore it is H there, and it is the center of the sphere, therefore it is H by 2. Height of a cylinder, it is H, therefore it is H by 2. And then by Pythagoras theorem, suppose here A, this point B, it is O. By Pythagoras theorem, OA square is equal to AB square plus OB square. Okay, here in triangle OBA, OA square is equal to AB square plus OB square by Pythagoras theorem. Therefore it is OA square, OA it is R, small r, R square, AB it is a capital R, and plus OB it is H, H by 2, H by 2 square, that is H square by 4. Okay, then we find the maximum volume, largest volume of the cylinder. Then volume of the cylinder, it is pi r square H, pi r square H. It is a R is a radius, capital R is a radius of the cylinder. Then therefore we can find the value of R square. Therefore we can write R square is equal to small r square minus H square by 4. Okay, then volume, let phi be volume of cylinder. Therefore phi is equal to pi r square H, and then put the value of R square. Therefore phi in terms of only H. Okay, here R is a radius of sphere, therefore phi is equal to f of H, and then pi into R square minus H square by 4 into H, and therefore f of H is equal to, multiply, it is pi constant as it is, R square H minus H cube by 4. Okay, here H ne multiply kela. Now differentiate with respect to H, differentiate with respect to H. Therefore we can write f dash of H, f dash of H is equal to pi as it is, and derivative R square minus H cube, it is 3H square by 4. It is the derivative 3H square by 4. Now take f dash of X equal to 0, f dash of H equal to 0. Therefore you can write pi into R square minus 3H square by 4 is equal to 0. Therefore it is pi becomes 0. Therefore R square minus 3H square upon 4 is equal to 0. Then this can be written as R square is equal to 3H square by 4. Therefore H square is equal to 4 R square by 3 H square, and therefore H is equal to plus or minus 2 R upon under root 3. But H is a height, but H is not equal to minus 2 under root. Therefore H is equal to 2r by under root 3. It is the value of h. It is a height. Now we find f double dash of h. Therefore f double dash, now f double dash of h is equal to f double dash of h, pi constant as it is, r square derivative 0 minus 6 h upon 4, 6 h upon 4, and therefore f double dash it is minus, okay, 6 by 4 it is 3 by 2, therefore minus 3 pi h by 2, 3 pi h by 2. It is f double dash of h. Therefore f double dash of 2r upon under root 3, and then it is minus 3 pi, and h it is 2r upon under root 3 whole to the upon 2, and which is less than 0. Okay? It is negative. Therefore f of h is a volume, is maximum at h is equal to 2 upon under root 3. It is a height. Okay, height मिळाली. We want to find the largest volume. Therefore largest volume is a phi is equal to pi r square h. H is this 2r upon under root 3. It is a height. Then we find the r, that is r square, and r square in this condition. Therefore r square is equal to r square, small r square, minus h square. It is h. Therefore h square is 4 r square by 3. Okay, here r square is equal to small r square minus h square by 4. Okay, r square is equal to r square minus it is h square, and h it is 2r by under root 3. Therefore 2r it is 4r square, under root 3 is a square. Now calculate. Here it is 3r square minus 4 1 by and upon 4, it is h square by 4. Okay, calculation carefully. Here r square is equal to r square minus 4h square upon 4. R square minus over 4h square, it is numerator मध्ये, that is h square 4 r square by 3 and upon 4 it is h square, and then calculation it is r square minus 4 r square by, okay, it is 4 get cancelled, r square by 3. Okay, and then it is 3r square minus r square, 2r square by 3. It is the r square, and now we write the maximum volume. Okay, इधर ले दो maximum volume. Volume is phi pi r square h. Therefore pi r square it is 2r square by 3 into h, 2r upon under root 3, and therefore maximum volume is, calculation was 4 pi r cube upon 3 under root 3. It is the maximum volume, and it is the last answer. Okay, maximum volume of the cylinder is 4 pi r cube upon 3 under root 3. Okay, calculation was here r square is equal to, it is r square is equal to, it is r square, it is r square. Okay, capital R square is equal to r square minus it is h square, and h is 2r upon under root 3, 4 r square upon 3 and upon 4, because it is h square by 4. And now calculation r square, capital R square is equal to this, and then it is a maximum volume, that is the largest volume of the sphere. It is 4 pi r cube upon 3 into under root 3. Okay, now we see next example. The profit function P of x of a firm selling x atoms per day is given by P of x is equal to 150 minus x into x minus 1625. Find the number of atom the firm should manufacture to get maximum profit and also find the maximum profit. Okay, it is a very simple examples because here function is already given. It is a function. Okay, here see p of x. P of x is equal to this. We multiply by x. It is 150 x minus x square and minus 1625. It is a p of x. Okay, आतापर्यंत आपल्याला f of x देत होते. It is p of x. Simple example, function already दिलेले. Then p dash of x. It is 150 minus 2x. Then put p dash of x equal to 0. That is 150 minus 2x is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to 75. Okay, it is a stationary point. Then p double dash of x, it is minus 2. It is negative, therefore maximum. Okay, simple example आहे, तुम्हीच कराय. Okay, सॉल्व करा व्यवस्थित. सिस्टमॅटिक लिहा स्टेप बाय स्टेप. कारण इथं मागच्या तिन्ही प्रॉब्लेम मध्ये फंक्शन दिलेलं नव्हतं. ते फंक्शन तुम्ही तयार करत होते. इथं तुम्हाला ऑलरेडी फंक्शन इज गिवन. देअरफॉर it is a function. Then find first derivative. Then take first derivative equal to 0 and then find second derivative and then put the all values of x in the second derivative. Okay, step by step, cherry step, no problem. Here x is equal to 75. That means the number of atoms is 75 and maximum profit, put 75 in this. That is the maximum value of the function. Put 75 in p of x. Okay, and then get the maximum profit. It is for the homework. Okay, next.